We're going to use Google Sheets to create pixel art. In your Google Classroom, I've given you a template that you'll need to open, and you'll need to go to File, make a copy, and add your name to it. Now, I'm in Joe's Students account. Joe has already done that. He's added his name up here. So it says Joe Students Pixel Art. In this Google Sheets, you have 3 sheets. You have the first one. I'll show you about the second one. It's a blank one. Third one's blank. So if you make a mistake, you can always go over to here and use these sheets. But in the first one, I've given you a little example. It's a rectangle. It's 11 cells wide by 10 cells high. And we know that each one of these is a cell. I'm at the cell H1, and the color of this cell is this color. Now, how I came about getting this color is I went and I typed in the number 3. There's some conditional programming going on, which is a little bit hard to explain, but let me just show you that. If I go to V1 and I type in 3 and I hit return, it goes to a yellow color. And if I drag all the way over to here, it goes to the yellow color. And if I drag down, it is the yellow color. If I go over to here, and I want to do a black one, I can do, that corresponds with the number 9. So if I click on 9 and I hit return, I get a black. If I go up and drag over to here and I drag down, I'm making a square. I also can go up and play with here. You've done this in the past. You can merge all of these cells and play around with that. Let me give you some examples, and I will give you the sheet inside of your Google Classroom. So if I go down and I want to show you, this is a screenshot that I took. I went to Google Images and I typed in Google Sheets Pixel Art. And here are some examples. Someone made a Mario, someone made a sword, happy face with his tongue sticking out, another happy face, tall building, a skyscraper, this kind of a ninja character, watermelon, pumpkin. So this gives you a pretty good idea of some examples, things that you might want to try when you're doing your pixel art. So if you want to do one more thing, if you want to make it yellow, change the yellow to white. It's a simple process. I can hold my shift key down and do this whole 3 by 3 by 3 block. I can do a delete. It goes to white. So here's something you might want to try. Now, I think you're going to have a good time with this. Enjoy yourself. Go create some pixel art using Google Sheets. As always, have fun.